Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip. This one looking at getting your roses off to a great start in early spring. A bunch of red roses may be a favourite Valentine's gift this month, but there are all sorts of reasons for growing roses in your garden. Firstly, they are very robust, reliable and long-lived shrubs, fully hardy in the UK and available from a wide range available from nurseries and garden centres. They flower all summer if you keep deadheading. Many of them are fragrant, and there's everything from tiny miniature patio roses for a pot to ramblers that'll cover a house, and all colours except blue. What more could you want? If you are choosing new bush roses, I absolutely recommend looking at modern English shrub roses. These have been bred to be very robust, bushy. They have sprays of flowers. You can see here, like one stalk will have almost like a whole bunch of flowers. Many of them are scented, they're repeat flowering, they are very disease resistant. Keep deadheading and you will have a whole bush of flowers all summer. Late winter, early spring is the time to prune back roses. They are cut quite hard back, and what you are doing is taking off all the previous year's growth to keep those shrubs a stable size without losing flowering, because they will regrow and flower in the same summer. And when you do prune back, choose a strong bud or a small developing shoot that's facing in the direction you want the new stem to grow, and cut back right above that with a pair of sharp secateurs. And here's a diagrammatic representation of that pruning, starting out with a bush that's just been deadheaded from the previous year, where you can see all the extra growth, and some of it's crossing and some of it's quite spindly. So you take out those first and then leave just the main stems to create an open goblet shaped framework. Cut them back by at least a third, a little bit more if it's a strongly growing bush, and then you're left with something which is going to grow back to how it was the previous year, and it simply won't get bigger and bigger and bigger. And roses are hungry feeders, so the last thing to do is give them a dose of a balanced general purpose fertiliser, and then mulch on top with some form of well-rotted organic matter, garden compost, leaf mould, well-rotted manure, and that will help, as well as adding more nutrients, retain water and suppress weeds, and your roses are all set to go for a great summer.
There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.